guys, how is everybody doing on this wonderful day? So guys, we're working in reverse. When I did this bodysuit, I was trying to record it, and for some odd reason it didn't record. It didn't record, guys. So I'm gonna have to give you guys an all explanation. So guys, you know how we do the bodysuits, and it's always hard to zip a bodysuit. So now I'm going to show you guys an easy way to make your own bodysuits, and you don't have to worry about going to the bathroom and how am I going to zip it, guys. Okay, so when you make a bodysuit, guys, a bodysuit, you take a pair of leggings and a shirt that fits you, and then you're going to take the shirt and fold it over right here, make it stop at your waistline, and then you're going to make the sleeves, guys, okay? You're going to make the sleeves, and then you're going to attach the pants together, and then you're going to attach the shirt. So guys, when I say that, you know, when it's hard to tie up the bodysuit, so you guys see, I got a slit in the back of the bodysuit, and I put these two ties right here, guys, and we will tie it. So with it made like this, guys, you do not have to ask somebody to attach your bodysuit for you, guys. So this one is made with a 4-way spandex fabric, so meaning that the fabric stretches from right to left and up and down. And guys, yes, so if you guys want to make them bodysuits, just take a pair of leggings, guys, that fits you perfect, and take a t-shirt, make it stop at your true waistline, and then when you're done, you're going to attach the shirt to the bottom, and then we're going to leave a slit. If you guys see, we're going to leave a slit right here, guys. And then just put these two ties up there. And then we would tie it closed, guys. So that's will be how we will make a bodysuit. And guys, I'm sporting this hat. I saw this hat on eBay. And I loved it. Because if you guys see that red trim, I wouldn't wear this with this. But I just tried it on for you guys. The hat was, it's beautiful. I got this hat, guys, for, let me sit down. For $13.99 off of eBay. Beautiful hat, but the only thing, the hat is coming from China, and the problem is when they ship these hats, guys, they have it flat in a piece of in a bag and just have it flattened down. So if you guys see how bent the hat is, so I'm still trying to get the hat to take the shape that it's supposed to take. So I'm thinking about taking some canned goods, guys, and taking it downstairs and sitting heavy weight on it and leave it like that for about 3 to 4 days. With something heavy on it. I even took an iron and tried to iron it out. No avail. It's still kind of, you know, stuck up in these different little spots. So if you guys are interested in making bodysuits, guys, that's pretty much all you need to do. And we'll do a slit up the back, guys, and then just put the two ties. And then look again, guys. So when I do the slit up the back, if you guys see, I stop it right here. I don't have the slit all the way down where your butt is hanging out. So you stop it right here and just fold it over and then do the two ties. So I hope that made very much sense to you guys. I hope that if you guys want to make bodysuits, now you guys are not intimidated because you realize it's nothing but your leggings at the bottom and your top at the top, guys. And if you want long sleeves, short sleeves, but definitely, guys, go with a spandex fabric. And anytime you want your fabric to stretch, guys, you want it to go right to left. Not up and down. If you get a 4-way, it can go either way. But when you put your clothes on, you want it to go right to left. And don't cut it exact the size of your leggings, guys. Because then it'll be too tight. And then the threads will be feeling like it's popping. But you want to be able to have room where you move and you don't feel like the bodysuit is going to bust open. So you guys have an awesome day and make awesome bodysuits. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple screenshots of the bodysuit. So remember, guys, if you guys want to make your own bodysuit, guys, take a pair of leggings that fit you perfect. Take a nice t-shirt that fits you perfect. And if the t-shirt don't have sleeve, add sleeves, guys. And then put a slit down the back and sew it up. Leave an opening where you're able to get your body through it, guys. Put two ties on the side with no zipper, guys. This was made with no zipper. So therefore, when you're out and about, you're wearing this bodysuit, you will not have to disturb your friends to say, can you zip up my bodysuit? So this would be an easy DIY, no zipper, guys, no zipper bodysuit, guys. And you guys can do this, or you could do the Velcro snaps at the top, guys. So guys, thank you guys so much. Happy sewing, guys. Bye bye.